see what it is. What is this? What in the world is that?
What is it?
A school bus?
Oh.
My.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
You know he's listening. He's watching.
Mom, this present is for you.
No, they're yours. They're in your stocking.
No. Oh, no. That's not my stocking.
Yes, this is your stocking.
What else is in there, sweetie?
Yes. Can you reach down in there for me? Because my teeth is going to get out.
Your what?
Like
Your
this.
sleeve? Oh, what's that?
Buzz Lightyear. And Buzz Lightyear and Woody.
Oh dear, look at all those.
What are they doing? What? My.
Oh, look at this.
What is this? Look, some more chocolate.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Should we have some
Not
chocolate?
right now. You can have some later.
Maybe. Should we eat some too?
No, not for breakfast.
I want to eat some
Oh,
too.
we'll just eat them later.
What?
We'll eat them later. You can eat them this afternoon.
I want you to know.
No.
Please?
Should we have Mom see what's in your stocking?
Where's hers?
Well, she doesn't exactly have a stocking.
No, that's her stocking.
Yeah.
Mom! Guess it was in your stocking.
That's Mom's stocking. Let her do it.
Mom?
Mm-hmm.